Do you see the definition? I don't know about you guys, but I have been stressed. My skin's been stressed, my body's been stressed, my hair's been stressed. This year has proven to be probably one of the most difficult years of my adult life. So I have decided to take some time to pamper my hair, give myself some meditation time.
Enough of that. Let's get into it. I'm going to begin by dry detangling my hair. Of course, if you'd like to use a tool, you can dampen your hair a little bit and use a comb, but I am using my fingers, and I would only do this if my hair was very stretched. I'm going to go in with a shampoo and a conditioner, and my conditioner will also double as my deep conditioner. Now, I'm excited, okay? We are going rogue. We are washing our hair loose. I have not done this in a very long time. As my hair has gotten longer, I actually prefer to wash in sections, but sometimes you just gotta feel the hair. And of course, I'm taking this opportunity to take out any tangles so that I don't have any additional issues later on. The shampoo I'm using is AG Balance, and they have new packaging, and I'm into it. It is now made out of aluminum, and it's just a lot more environmentally friendly. The plastic they use is recycled, and I'm here for it. And I love the formulation. It has apple cider vinegar in it that is great for my scalp. It has argan oil, it feels really nice on the hair, and it doesn't give a stripping effect. I highly recommend, and I will definitely link it down below. If you don't want to be rogue like me, go ahead and wash in sections. I will not hold that against you. And of course, when you're done shampooing, go ahead and rinse your hair thoroughly. You don't want any product left. I'm not gonna lie though, washing loose is very fun. Now I'm going to follow with conditioner. This is the Inner Sense conditioner. It is the hydrating cream one, and I really recommend when you're using this, saturate your hair with water first and then leave it on for a few minutes so that it can really soften your hair before you go in and detangle. Now, when I got out of the shower, I didn't want to do anything. I wanted to breathe, relax, listen to some meditation music, listen to some R&B vibes. You know, hair care for me is also self-care. It's something that I've learned along the way, and this helps me feel less anxious when I have to do my hair. I actually get a little bit excited to have the time away from my computer and all of the different tasks on my to-do list. So sometimes it just takes a shift in perspective. And this steamer, you need it. I'm gonna tell you why. So it heats up the water and it creates a steam, and that steam infuses into your hair. It penetrates your hair shaft. There's nothing but water goodness, and anything you put on your hair becomes activated and works a lot better. It also makes the hair very, very soft. So it's the gifting season. If you have someone who would love this, get it. It's the next morning and I have wet my hair down to prepare for my Twistout. My hair is very soft. It has some definition as well, and it's one of my favorite results from steaming my hair. Now we're going to do two Twistouts, a wet one and a dry one. This is the wet Twistout. I'm using the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. It is a great leave-in conditioner. Perfect if you want to layer things on top. This time I didn't. I am using my fingers. I would say my sections are on the medium side, maybe on the smaller medium side, and I'm simply twisting my hair, and you'll be able to see the results in a minute. I actually recommend layering something on top of this leave-in conditioner because it does dry and evaporate very easily. So I recommend something lightweight like Camille Rose's Curl Love. There are so many different moisturizers out there, but I am using this one and you'll see me using it next. The results, I know this is what you came for. So this is a wet Twistout result. If you have type 4 hair, it might look a little something like this. Highly defined, yet it has a fluffy texture to it. If you were to separate this, you would kind of get a very fluffy afro, or you could keep it like this, defined, it has movement, it is still a great option. Now for the dry twist out, my absolute favorite. Again, I'm using Camille Rose Curl Love, the lightweight moisturizer. It works really well, and I especially like it on dry hair. It lasts on the hair longer. My hair is a lot more flexible throughout the week. It keeps its softness. Any moisturizer that I have, I like using it on dry hair. It doesn't have that barrier of water to get through, so it really does help to coat the hair very nicely. And as you can see, I am working in pretty small twists. Go as small as you can without being frustrated. My twists are pretty small. This is how I can get the most definition out of my hairstyle. And of course, I'm using a little bit of oil. This oil is discontinued, but I like using oil for shine. So if you like shine, oil is the way to go, and something lightweight, nothing too thick or heavy. That's my preference. And you can see right away that I have a lot more length to my hair and the twists are more uniform.
And with this, I think I'm gonna keep this in for a little while and just use the oil to sort of freshen up, and then come back in a couple days so that you guys can see this twist out.
1 week later, I have thoroughly enjoyed these twists, okay? This is the gift. This is the gift that keeps on giving. Twist outs are bae. Zoe loves a good twist set and a twist out, and you're gonna find out why, okay? So as you can see, I am separating my hair, and one tip to be able to do this the way that I'm doing it, you don't wanna borrow hair from either side. So for example, you know when you're twisting your hair and one side is shorter, you don't want to borrow hair from the other side because you won't be able to just untwist like that. Also, I'd recommend getting a trim. You'll have a much easier time than I did.
Do you see the definition of this twist out? Wow. My hair feels actually really, really soft, and I've had these twisted for like a week and a half. So I am very impressed by the results, how soft my hair feels. I am going to put a video of, if you're into midi twists, if you were into the twist before I took the twist out, I'm gonna put a video of some hairstyles that are work and Zoom or webcam appropriate right up here. And I'm also gonna put a playlist for some of my more fun scientific experiment videos for natural hair. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.